My 34 for Minnesota.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, here's the last one. Here's the last one. Yeah.
So I actually still have
You have the pennant from opening day?
Yes, I do.
Oh, I'm jealous of that. I wish that. I missed opening day by a few weeks. I wasn't available that day. I wrote it about a month after opening day.
I'm going to be on the news.
Oh, that's cool. I was on the news for the Silver Line opening in 2014, so a few years before. I missed the streetcar.
Yeah.
One DC transit I missed.
Robert, do not open to nobody. Straight to Oklahoma.
This is one of our supervisors. He has been here from the beginning. He's operating the last car.
My request is take along when you go to the inspection power, right? Because we wanted to document the final topics and create a report. So at least we have a documentation to share with DDOT. You're going to be doing something probably your end anyway.
Eric wanted to do that tomorrow.
You want to go out
Yeah,
again?
he's gonna go out tomorrow and do the documentation and pictures.
Oh, really?
That's
But I want her to be witnessing.
okay, that's fine. Just like, I don't know. The only thing I'm gonna do is
Then we may park these vehicles, but what we want to do is, like we did with SC 103, we will work with all these to see if we can create similar inspection documents for all of these vehicles.
you know my last day is gonna be I'm always right. Open and don't open. Oh, okay. Take care, man. Thank you.
I thought we weren't stopping.
Well, he sees those ones that they want to stop, and they're gonna take Uber after. He's scared. There's some people that are like,
What's he gonna do? Get fired?
yes. The last drop of it. We are last blood. Still actually
Oh, I wish we.
supporting.
Amy was supposed to come. Her dad passed away Sunday. But tonight she was supposed to.
Ending of the 10 years.
You can never eliminate accidents in DC. People will never know how to drive over these days.
And then when the delivery truck comes over, when the EMS comes in and they find the truck, but they got to suffer.
What they did, they had one of their plans to put a TVS on the exit, but then they couldn't find enough parking on the parallel street. So they called it parking. That did not work.
Tell him to repeat what he said.
Get more go.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay, okay, look, look. It's gonna stop for you, man. Alright, here you go. Yeah, you got it, brother. Have you heard about this?
What? I mean, I've seen it. When it was first announced that it was going to be March 31st, I was like, if I can be there, might as well. And it turned out the schedule.
How about you?
We actually both older streetcars that have probably been inside of DC.
Oh, wow.
And when we heard about this when it first opened, we were like, and we were young back then, we were like,
Yeah, yeah.
we want to check it out because we go to the museum all the time. And now it's volunteer for like, wow, 10 years. History's repeating itself in front of our eyes.
That's awesome.
Matter of fact,
Unbelievable.
I actually have a picture on here.
Didn't you guys go to the museum?
I did. I was being
You guys
there.
didn't think
Yeah.
One of these go out to the museum.
Well, they did something there.
We were actually in the booth there and we were telling about the DC Streetcar and all that stuff.
Yeah, so let's bring one over there. It would be fun.
That's right. So this is not a streetcar. This is a truck.
Yeah, so
It's actually the streetcar has a struggle with different
Go back to New Orleans. They're pretty fancy streetcars.
this one they call it streetcar, but it's a truck.
Actually live close to the museum. We're up from
So I work for a woman-owned company. So I've been there for 18 years. So every operator we get together as my employee. So the person driving the streetcar was our first set of people we hired.
Well, thank you, and thank everyone else involved in this project for keeping it going for 10 years.
It's been a while for us. Like, I know everything that that way. Like, my name's on a collective bargaining agreement. So you want to recruiting and staffing something. So your customer negotiate to this to watching people who have been there for 10 years. But we have 13 years.
I wasn't. I just came to help support.
Hey, like 2 years.
I've been able to get it. I moved far away to come over here to help. No, but it's okay. It's a good
Like, you're not in here, so I'm like, I'm just keeping the sign up. I'm sorry.
There you go. And the last stop, everybody. Last stop. Last ride. Lost everything. Lost for the last forgotten line. But hey, remember, guys, this is not last. Your generation has to fight for it. We did. We had it. We enjoyed it. Now it's your turn. It can happen. Rail is always safe. Buses It's always safe, but it's up to you. This choice is.
Let's go. Get everybody.
Tell him to repeat that. Can you repeat that for the record?
What do you think?
Number 7 to SEC. Can you repeat that for the last second time? Just to they are taping. It's not a crowd. Excited to listen to your voice as the last dispatcher. Thank you for today. And repeat of the arrival of the train.
Streetcar 201 has arrived at Oklahoma track 2. This will be the final streetcar for the rest of the revenue service. And streetcar 201 will be entering for the final time into the yard on track number 7.
Thank you.
107 to SEC. Thank you so much. And here's the card
Everybody
for
make
you.
Molly proud.